Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a tool that will help you in your research work. Yes guys, today we are going to introduce an educational tool which is completely AI powered and that will really help you in your research work. Before starting today's video, I have one small announcement, but it is very important for you. Guys, we are all using Tech Freedom, and Tech Freedom is one of the best applications which has more than 25 features in just one application. And sometimes we face many problems. We are trying to contact with their support, but sometimes we fail to get answers, or sometimes we are not able to communicate properly. To solve this problem, V.I Tech Academy, in collaboration with VI developers, is going to organize a 1-hour webinar on 22nd June 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. 22nd June means this coming Sunday. So guys, I am requesting you, those who are already using Tech Freedom or those who are not using Tech Freedom, you must join that free webinar and just learn about the Tech Freedom and see how Tech Freedom can help you in your daily life. Not only this, you can directly share them your opinion as well as your feedback to the VID officials. So don't miss this chance, because this chance might not come in the future. So don't miss the chance. Join the webinar and give the feedback. To know more about this or join the webinar, follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp. Also, I will provide the link to the join the webinar on our official WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Also, I will try to provide the same link in the pinned comment of this video. But remember, if you are watching this video after 22nd June, then I'm sorry, you have missed the chance. Okay guys, so let's come back to our today's video. So guys, today's video is about a research tool. See, there are many AI tools available in the internet. We need to find which really helps us. So today I'm here to tell you the tools which helps you in the research work. Like you are doing in the PhD, or you are searching for something research paper. So you can easily chat with the existing paper. You can ask any questions based on your existing paper, uploaded paper, and do a lot of tasks. So now let's start exploring the tool. The tool name is Elicit. I'll provide the link in the video description below, as well as on our official WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Oh, no, not Telegram channel. We will post the link first on WhatsApp channel. So subscribe and follow us on WhatsApp channel. By the way, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel links are given in the video description below. So guys, let me open my Google Chrome, and I have already opened the site.
Elicit, the AI research assistant, Google Chrome.
Elicit, the AI research assistant. Yes, AI research assistant, and this is very useful. Okay, now after coming to the first time, you just need to create one account and using your email, password, or you can also use Google account. Then you will redirect to this page, and this page looks like this. I'm pressing down arrow.
Visited link button recent.
Down arrow.
Visited link button library.
So in library, you can find all of your uploaded document. Uploaded research paper.
Clickable button upgrade.
Upgrade. So I'm using the free version.
Button collapsed opens dialog help. Clickable button V. Button V.I Tech Academy find papers.
Find papers.
Clickable research report.
Research report.
Clickable systematic review.
Systematic review. Okay, those who already aware about these terms, they can understand. Though I am not a researcher, I do not have enough knowledge about research. Pro.
Ask a research question to search and explore academic literature. Edit multi-line.
Okay, so here you can ask the questions about any research things and it will give you answers based on the research.
Out of edit, clickable button unavailable search.
So here you can search
More
it.
tools.
More tools.
Button upload and extract.
Upload and extract. So here you can upload any existing research paper. Most probably this feature will be able only for the paid version.
Button summarize concepts.
Summarize concepts.
Separator. Visited link recent.
Okay, and next recent. So whatever I have done last, that is here asking. So now let's ask some questions.
Ask
here.
a research. Blank.
So let's say we are asking one question here. Let's say what we can ask. We can ask visually impaired earnings. I mean, what is the financial category or financial stability about visually impaired in India? Let's suppose I am asking this question.
What is the financial?
I'm not sure whether I can find any research paper or not. Financial category
of
visually impaired persons in India. I'm pressing enter on it.
Elicit notebook document. Elicit notebook.
And it will open a new notebook. So where it will give you the note based on some papers. Okay, so how to find out the results? Before finding out the results, I have a news for you guys. Very soon we are starting our next batch of web development fundamentals, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So those who are interested, just visit our website, official website, from the about page of our channel and register. Also, we are planning to start Python adventure soon. So those who are also interested, they can register also there. But fundamentals web development will start very soon. So go and register now. If you are interested, you can also fill out the form of private coaching. We have a private coaching service where we are helping people with visually impaired to get the right teacher for you. Those courses are not available here, no matter it is academic or non-academic. But remember, currently this service is available only for India. Okay, now let me show you how you can access this. I'm going up.
Out of button V. But main landmark heading clickable level 1 financial status of visually impaired in India.
Okay, this is the topic.
Button share.
So you can share this.
Clickable button collapsed opens dialog.
Down arrow.
Button. Clickable. What is the financial cadet summary of top clickable 4 papers?
Summary of top 4 papers. Top 4 papers, based on the top 4 papers, it will give the summary.
Button copy.
Visual
impairment affects approximately 62 million people in India, with 54 million having low vision and 8 million being completely blind. Clickable Saxena et al. 2022.
So
this disability poses challenges.
See, you can get the research report based on this person, which was on 2022. According to that research, 62 million people are there in India who is visually impaired. I mean, under the visually impaired, which is 8 million people is there who is 100% blind, like me. So, if this is true, guys, our channel subscribers is only 3,500. What happens, guys? Share the videos. Yes, guys, share the videos with others, so they can also join, they can also subscribe, they can also learn. Please do this. And by the way, we also launched our Hindi channel. So, जो लोग हिंदी समझते हैं ना, जाइए subscribe करिए V.I Tech Academy Hindi. You can search on YouTube and you will get it.
Vision and 8 million being in daily life, education and employment, often requiring assistive aids or technological support. Clickable Levkovich Verban 2020.
So
the current classification of visual disabilities in India has limitations, as it does not encompass all vision combinations, leading to potential Miscategorization. Clickable manga et al. 2009. Access to visually impaired individuals but face barriers such as physical accessibility and negative societal attitudes. Clickable Raini 2017.
Okay, I
the
think
Indian government has emphasized inclusive
I think you also understand what's going on here.
education and improved services for persons with disabilities, aiming to ensure equal opportunities and rights. Clickable Saxena et al. 2022. Enhance information services for visual library. Button collapsed opens dialogue sort. Most relevant libraries to better serve this population. Clickable Saxena et al.
So guys, here you will get some other options.
Collapsed opens dialogue sort. Most relevant.
Most relevant.
Button collapsed opens dialogue filters.
Here you can
sort.
use
Most
like
button. Most recent.
Most recent also. I mean, if I choose this.
Button most relevant. Button most recent. Least recent button. Most cited button. Least cited button. Title alphabetical button.
Title alphabetical.
Toolbar. View site information.
Filter the things.
Button main findings. Button summary. E.G. Limitations. Describe what kind of data you want to extract.
Okay. Now if you want to extract any data, here you can type the data.
Limitations.
Just press up
Survival time method. Add columns.
Okay. So here the columns will be added one by one. Columns will be added.
Button summary.
Button
main
findings.
Button methodology.
Methodology. These are related terms of research.
Button intervention. Button outcome measured. Button limitations. Button show more. Menu. Button collapsed sub menu. Okay. Add a new step.
So add a new step. I don't know about this as much because I'm not familiar with the research things, right?
0 papers selected.
So 0
clickable
papers.
Elicit. Note blank. Clickable. Menu button collapsed sub menu. Add a new, ask a new question and find papers.
Add a new step is like ask a follow-up question. Sorry guys. You can ask a new
question and find papers. Menu item focus 1 of 6.
You can ask a next question.
Extract data from uploaded papers 2 of 6.
These are some options what to do. Okay.
Ask a new question. Extract data from uploaded papers 2 of. Get a list of concepts 3 of 6. Ask a new question and find papers 1 of. Dive into research and discover key insights. Edit focused multi-line blank.
Let's say here I am typing what are the myths
about
what are the myths about visually impaired. Okay, what are the myth about visually impaired? Okay guys, so guys please avoid there are some noises, so please avoid. I'm just pressing enter.
Financial status of visually impaired in India. List out button limitations. Button clickable button collapse button. Clickable. What are the myths of clickable? Make financial status. Button show button limitations. Button methodology. E.G. Make summary button summary. Button main E.G. Limitation. Heading level 2 manage columns. Searcher create a column. Describe what kind of data you want to extract. Button main findings. Button limitations.
So guys, here actually this is a research tool, right? So if you're familiar with the terms of research, then it's okay. Otherwise it's very tough for you. Like me, I cannot understand some meanings. Visited link button recent. Now
visit clickable button upgrade.
If I just click on upgrade, let's see what are the plans available.
Heading level 2 upgrade to up. You can also button maybe you can also extract data from more papers. Link button upgrade to plus. Heading level 3 benefits include auto generate research reports, unlimited summaries of 8 papers at once, unlimited chat with 8 full text papers at once.
Okay, all this you can find. So research on this tool, use this tool for your research purpose, and I hope it will be helpful for you. For more useful AI tools like this, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy, as well as after subscribing press the bell icon, choose all notifications so that you will receive all video updates. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. And if you are also interested to get exclusive videos, join us as a gold member. Or if you are interested to receive these videos earlier, join us as a silver member. Our membership starts at 29 rupees only. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.